As far as missionary work goes, I know that when I was down there, they reached the milestone of over 1 million members in Brazil, which is a really cool milestone. And it really is, it's a place where the church is just so ready to grow. The people are humble. They're already faithful people. Most of them have been Catholics their whole life, as the German influence brought Catholicism and that type of thing. And so everybody really has a strong testimony or a strong belief in Jesus Christ. Even to the point of truck drivers will put signs that say, God is faithful, or I believe in God, and stuff like that on there. I mean, they may be a tough customer or a tough-looking person, but they have this faith in God that's just kind of built into them. And so it really makes for missionary work that is unlike any other place, I think, in the world. They're ready to receive it, and they have this desire to learn the truth. That's what my experiences was, as we taught people, as we helped them understand about a true and everlasting, true and everlasting gospel, that they were excited about that. They had believed in this church that came from Europe that they didn't really know a lot about, or their parents had believed in it, and they were ready to accept something that was living, that was receiving modern revelation, that type of thing. And as far as that goes, the growth rates were incredible. I mean, as we saw in our mission, my mission went from about, I think, around 45 baptisms a month, which is very low for Brazil, up to 150 baptisms a month, which is a substantial growth, just because the people were ready to receive it. The missionaries were teaching lessons by the Spirit, and it grew a lot. I know there are lots of parts of Brazil that grow a lot faster and have a lot more baptisms, and they're the areas that usually aren't as strong Catholic. We had a lot of strong Catholic people in Minas Gerais that were really set in their ways of Catholicism because of tradition and not necessarily because of belief. And so it was hard to pull them away out of that tradition and demonstrate that there was a true church. So.